Is this it?
Wow! Cool! My new dorm room! Exciting! Hey, roomie! Nice to meet you!
Watch out! Hey, back!
Whoa!
This room is a mess!
Who was even living here before us?
I say ghosts.
Yeah, agreed.
It sure needs a makeover. I'll get to work.
No.
Ah!
This side of the room is mine. No trespassing!
I mean, sure. Whatever. I can't spend my energy arguing with you.
Let's see who does it better.
Time to get to work.
We have so much to do.
Ugh, I hate getting my hands dirty.
Tell me about it. I feel like we're gonna need a huge trash bin.
You think? Whoa!
What did they even need this for? Whoa!
Ouch! Ugh, watch where you're going!
Much better. Already looking cozy.
You need to check your definition of cozy. Look, so soft. The wall looks so empty.
I know what I'm gonna do about that.
Something burning? Ah! What did you do?
Cool, right? This too. Jealous of my side of the room?
Please, don't you know cool is my middle name? Just watch. Some North Pole magic. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. And now… Every snowflake is so unique, like me. Shaky, shake, shake.
Whoa.
You might want to hold on to something. Haha!
Stop that!
Cold never bothered me anyway.
Huh. I see your game here. The cauldron is ready for the ritual. You've got magic. I've got magic and science. Burn! Hey! Don't worry. These won't actually burn the place down. How? Magic. Duh. Now check it out. Hey! I know how to grab your attention. You got
I don't remember ordering fireballs, but maybe you will like this.
Now you're talking.
You're just wasting my time. Anyway, where was I?
You were messing up the floor.
What are you talking about?
Oh.
You weren't lying. I just need a rub to cover that up. Yep, this one's the softest ever. My feet are gonna love it in the mornings.
Wow. I should have thought of that. Do you see this, Boo? Oh, I think I know what you mean. It's been a while since you got groomed. Hey, you look good like this. Bye, my sweet menace. Here it is. Phew! Pink and red look really good together.
Yeah, whatever. Why is it so hot in here?
Brr, so chilly. I can't accept that. Much better. Hot like me.
Hey! Unacceptable! I need a cold refreshment. Like, right now! Almost freezing! Just the right temperature. Oh, wait! I know what to do with this! You see trash, I see a DIY project! Careful with the knife! The lights go inside the bottle! Now, a little bit of glue on this side. You'll need cotton, and lots of it! Can you see my vision here? Ta-da! Snow clouds! Prepare for a blizzard of cuteness! Lights on! Let's see how you top that. Hey! I'm talking to you! Ugh, so rude! How about sending her a letter? What did you think?
Huh? Wow. I think I got a secret admirer. I wonder who it is from. Surprise! Huh?
Who did that?
You, obviously. Huh? Well, this is mine now, 'cause I know just the thing to do with it. First, I gotta apply a little glue on this section. Place one piece of toilet paper next. More glue on top. And more glue everywhere. Wait just a little time until it sets. We can get rid of the balloon now. Yellow like the sun. And it's done. Easy peasy. No need for sunscreen.
Phew. This was heavier than I expected. There! Ursa Major! The night sky is so beautiful!
Oh, wow. Can I look through your telescope too?
You? No way.
This will convince you. There you go, bud.
Huh? What's that? I have a guest? An unwanted guest. I don't have time to deal with that. Bye! Back to stargazing.
Ugh. If she ain't sharing, then I'll use this. If only it worked. Oh, but that doesn't mean it's totally useless. Let's cut it into small pieces first. The glue the ends like this. Using 2 different colors will make it pop more. Almost done! Yay! It's even cuter than I imagined it would be. I'm making my own galaxy on the wall. It looks like the Milky Way.
Wow, that does look so good. Quick, make a wish!
What are you up to? Ugh, you wished for this?
Totally worth it. But now, I'll make my crafting wishes come true. Watch carefully. The folding order makes all the difference. We need to cut the paper from the middle and work separately with each piece. Once we make quite a few of these, it's time to glue them together. First, make sure the glue is dry and voila! My personal northern star! But let's decorate it first. Give it that blinking aesthetic. Now I can make a wish anytime I want!
Okay, officially approved.
A little left.
Here?
Yep. Phew.
Phew, I'm so sweaty. Anyway, now we have space for our stuff.
Cute, right?
You mean my dog, right?
Sure, why not?
More pillows? Yes, please.
Yay! I think we're finally done!
Yes, we did it!
And everything is a reflection of our own vibes. I have my little plushie friends here as well.
Me too. They can be besties. Sebastian likes his new home. The red and blue complement each other, wouldn't you agree?
Yep, we're gonna have so much fun in here.
Yeah.
Haha, but for now, let's rest.
Check out my gorgeous ruby. Diamonds are way cooler if you ask me. What? Something weird is happening. They're pulling together. What the heck was that? Whoa, look at this. Wow. We should decorate these houses. Bet I can do it better. First, let's add some rubies. Oh yeah, I'm getting the coolest ruby walkway. Still not as good as a diamond one. Let's see. Just one diamond? Watch closely. Well, what do you say now? Huh, but you don't have a fountain like this. You sure about that? Oh, yeah? Mine will have ruby sparkles. Let me fill it up. Nice. Not bad, but diamond sparkles are better. Nothing beats that white shine. So pretty! Oh yeah, I'll have even more sparkles! Oh, we'll see about that! Whoa! That's beautiful! Come on. There. Much better. Alright, now let's add a lounger. Oh, loungers are boring. I'm adding a slide. Ugh, gimme that! Ugh, the ugly color can stay on your side. I like it. Whoa! It's a helicopter! What's going on? It's Barbie dolls! Wow, it's so pretty here. This is the best fountain ever! Whee! I love it! Me too! Oh, you. These fountains are way too powerful! Aww! It's nice, but look at me! Yeah, we should freshen up. I've got an idea. This should work. Nice! Time for a bath. Yay! I love that! Oh, yeah. This feels so good. Easy with the bubbles! I've got an idea, too. And here's the bath. Perfect. Now let's fill it with diamonds. There you go. Your bath is ready. Finally! Coming! Best bath ever! Glad you like it. What's that? I want to drink too! Of course. Here you go. Oh, yeah? Enjoy! Please. Whatever. Time to add a mirror. There. Time to do my makeup. I've got lipstick for you, too. And more makeup. Now let's add a dresser and a rug. Then some plants for the vibe. And a chandelier. All done. The bathroom is fully set. Cool, right? Of course! It has everything I need! We should decorate too. This will be perfect. I know exactly what to add. Oh yeah, only luxury for my doll. Now let's add some style. And finish it with this. Now that's a true diamond design. Wow! I can't wait to try it! What? A pretty doll has to take care of herself, right? Exactly. Aw, you look amazing! I'm hungry. Oh, of course. Let's build a kitchen. We'll add smoothies and juices. And more yummy stuff. Nice! Not done yet. Let's add a counter. Decorate and add food. The meal's ready. Nice! Wait for me! I need a drink. Oh, yes! Looks delicious! I'm hungry too! Then you'll need a fridge. Perfect! Let's add a stove. And some design. Now let's add a dining area. And a kitchen cabinet. Look, it's already full of food. Now a chandelier. And some cookware. Let's set the table. Plates, cutlery, flowers, and done! Wanna take a closer look? You don't have to ask twice! Like it? Oh yeah. Hey, wanna come over? Coming. Oh, your kitchen is amazing. Thanks. I think we should share dessert with the girls. So sweet, thank you. Good idea. Here you go, bestie. Yummy. That was fun. Oh, but I'm tired. No problem. Let's set up your living room. Wow, so many rubies! Let's add a chest for them. Now a couch. And a lamp. Just hang a ruby ball. And lights on! All done! Your living room is ready! Have a seat! So comfy! No sleeping, it's party time! So fun! I need a change. Oh, but my room is empty! Got you! Let's add a clothes rack. And a shoe shelf. And of course, some cute shoes. Now you've got options! So cool, I love it! Yay! You'll be the most stylish! How do I look? Amazing! Let me take a pic! I'm so happy! What's wrong, sweetie? Don't worry, I've got something for you, too. First, let's add curtains. And some musical instruments. There! Now you can play your violin! Awesome! It's my favorite! What's that noise? Oh my! I can't take it! Look what I've got! How about a bike ride? Yes, I love biking! Have fun! Bye! This is so fun! Whee! While she's gone, I'll add this big diamond lamp. And this basket. Let's fill it with diamonds. Add a big one on top and a rug. I need a rug too. How about a motorcycle? Whoa, that's awesome! I'm off! Whew, see ya! Vroom vroom, baby! This is so cool! Alright, I'll decorate the roof. Rubies are perfect as always. So cool! Wow! Let's try the same with diamonds. Whoa! Looks amazing! Hi there! Check out my new bike! Cool! Wanna ride home with me? Hold tight! We're here! Wow! Ta-da! Do you like it? Your house is ready! All diamonds! I can't believe it! Your house is ready, too. All rubies, just how you like it. It has everything you need. This is the best house ever! Great job!